Welcome back to the 99 Bitcoin YouTube channel. I'm your host Omar Khan, and today we have a market update as the crypto market is crashing, and a lot of traders are wondering whether now's the time to buy the dip or to start selling your bags. So today we're going to discuss the market in great detail. But before we start, I gotta ask, if you haven't already, make sure you hit the subscribe button down below. Now, again, guys, it's absolutely insane. I was on a live stream last night when Bitcoin was sitting around 110, Ethereum was sitting at 4 grand, and I was saying with rather confidence that I wouldn't think that Bitcoin will dip below 110, nor would I think Ethereum would dip below 4 grand, to be frank. But again, both of those things have happened exactly. Market is down another 2%, making it, I believe, a total of a 12% on the week down. Fear and ingredients is currently 32 fear. Altcoin season is currently 29. Everything's looking very, very bearish. Even the RSI currently sitting 39 at oversold. We are back into the 30s. A lot of selling pressure going on. While at the same time, what doesn't make sense is institutions are scooping up ETH, which is insane. I mean, we're going to go into this in a moment, but just interesting to see the markets are dumping. Meanwhile, the big players are buying the dip. Again, is there a little bit of market manipulation going on here? Maybe just a smidge. Before we continue, though, I do gotta ask, if you haven't already, guys, hit that subscribe button down below and check out the partner for our channel, Best Wallet. Best Wallet is the best anonymous crypto wallet that lets you create an account without verification, ID, or KYC. Get the most secure and anonymous non-custodial crypto wallet today. Available on Google Play and Apple App Store, Best Wallet allows you to buy and swap Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies with the Best Wallet, the smartest way to buy, store, and manage your crypto in 2025. Every dollar supports the channel tremendously, so I'll be leaving a link in the description box below. All right, so we took a look at the market. We did a deep dive yesterday as well, and now we're seeing it just continuing to dump. Why is the market down today? Chat, let us know what's going on. So market fell another 2.5% in the last 24 hours, exceeding a 7-day decline of over 12%, driven by tightening U.S. financial liquidity and derivative market stress. Okay, so this secured overnight financial rate exceeded the efficient federal fund rate by 0.19 points. The widest gap since December 2024. Banks borrowed 6.75 billion from the Fed's repo facility, the highest non-quarter end usage since 2020. So what does it mean? Tight liquidity reduces risk appetite, pressure crypto and equities alike. The crypto Nasdaq 100 correlation rose plus 0.35%, reflecting sheer macro headwinds. Okay, so what to watch for? Fed intervention to ease funding conditions, which could stabilize the markets, which is probably going to be the next thing that follows suit. And obviously some other things we cover in the live as well. Some derivative market situations, a lot of perps getting positions getting closed, altcoin all bearish impact. So again, there's a bunch of factors, but the main thing seems to be the macroeconomics of the state. Okay, however, when we look at this, things look interesting. Okay, so this is supposed 2 hours ago. Understand the situation. What is happening? Big players are scooping up ETH. For instance, Bitmine added 128,000 ETH. That's over $480 million after the recent dip. Okay, insane. Also, ETH staking entry queue has just hit a 2-year high. 3.7 billion staked queue to stake. That shows how many buyers are wanting to lock in their ETH rather than trade it. Insane. Why does it matter? When institutions buy and stake, they reduce circulating supply, which can put upward pressure on the price if demand holds. Their accumulation gives confidence. Others see the whales buying and think, maybe I should too. This can fuel momentum. Again, we've seen this happen time and time again before. It cushions the ETH against broader market volatility. If ETH has a strong base of institutional holders, it's less likely to collapse hard when macro storm hits. So it's not all black and white. Institutional ETH accumulation has bullish signs and decentralized risk. On one hand, heavy staking improves network security and signal long-term conviction and reduces selling pressure. On the other hand, it does centralize power. Fewer validators holding huge chunks of staked ETH can influence governance, slashing risk and block inclusion. In short, bullish for ETH price stability, but appreciating the decentralized trade-off would be naive. So yeah, again, a lot of money continuing to flow into ETH, even though markets are down, which is in my case a bull sign to be buying the dip as well. Again, I personally think it's going to be a short dip. I wouldn't imagine the last couple of weeks. I think we're going to end October rather strong. Talking about ending October, this pre-sale part I've been covering on the channel is coming to an end. Snorter is a Solana meme coin trading bot, and Snort is the token powering the bot. This pre-sale project is ending in 3 days and 21 hours. That's when the project goes live. They have raised nearly $5 million in pre-sale. If you're wondering what Snorter is a Solana meme coin trading bot offering lowest fees on Solana, fast execution time, exclusive access to a new token, front-running MEV protection. So Snorter, essentially you're only scratching the surface when you're flipping Solana meme coins. The real gems are hidden underground. That's why this trading bot comes into play. Fast secure swaps, automated sniping, limit orders, copy trading, broker protection, honeypot detection, and all the features compared to the market features are the other Solana trading bots in the market. We see this one's definitely outperforming. Is why it's been standing out and raising so much money. So if you're interested in buying into a pre-sale project like this, link to download will be in the description box below for Snorter specifically. Now, guys, that's the today. I'll probably go live later tonight, kind of discussing what's going on in the market, do some live trading, whatnot. We went on live yesterday. We had a pretty good live. It was booming. So feel free to pop in later tonight. We'll be probably around midnight EST. So hey, so if you're around, if you're awake that time, come join the live. We'll kind of go over the market. Hopefully we see some recoveries. I'm imagining we're going to see some recoveries entering into the night. So again, feeling rather bullish there. But guys, remember, like always, none of this is financial advice. Always your own research and due diligence before investing any money in the cryptos we cover on this channel. That wraps up the video, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Until next time, it's your friend Umar. Peace.